Welcome to multi-region deployment. In this video, we'll explore how to distribute your application across multiple geographic regions to improve performance, reliability, and user experience worldwide. Multi-region deployment means running your application in multiple geographic locations simultaneously. Instead of having all your servers in one place, you distribute them across different regions. This allows users to access your application from servers closest to them, reducing latency and improving response times. There are three main reasons to deploy across multiple regions. First, lower latency. Users connect to the nearest server, making your application feel faster. Second, high availability. If one region goes down, users can still access your application from other regions. Third, compliance. Some data regulations require you to store data in specific geographic locations. There are three primary deployment strategies. Active-active means all regions run simultaneously and handle traffic equally. Active-passive means one region handles traffic while others stand by as backups. Multi-master involves multiple regions that can independently accept and sync updates. Each strategy has different trade-offs for complexity, cost, and consistency. In active-active deployment, all regions serve traffic simultaneously. Users are routed to the nearest region using geographic load balancing. This provides excellent performance and high availability. However, managing data consistency across regions becomes challenging because multiple regions can update data at the same time. In active-passive deployment, one primary region handles all traffic, while secondary regions remain on standby. This makes data consistency simple because only one region is actively writing data. If the primary region fails, traffic automatically switches to a backup region. The trade-off is that secondary regions consume resources without serving traffic during normal operations. Multi-region deployments face three main data consistency challenges. Network partition means regions might lose connection to each other. Eventual consistency means data updates take time to replicate across regions. Conflict resolution occurs when multiple regions update the same data simultaneously, creating conflicting versions. Choosing the right replication strategy is crucial for handling these challenges. To handle failures in multi-region deployments, implement three key strategies. Health checks continuously monitor each region and detect failures automatically. Automated failover redirects traffic to working regions when failures occur. Graceful degradation allows your application to reduce features or switch to read-only mode if a region fails, ensuring users still have access. Multi-region deployment increases infrastructure costs because you maintain duplicate resources in each region. Cross-region data transfer fees add up quickly. Operational complexity increases significantly because you must monitor and manage multiple regions, coordinate deployments, and debug issues across different locations. Testing becomes more complex as you need to test failover scenarios and regional differences. Remember these key points. Choose your deployment strategy based on your consistency requirements and budget constraints. Implement robust health checks and automated failover mechanisms to handle failures. Plan for data consistency, challenges, and use appropriate conflict resolution strategies. Finally, balance the performance and reliability gains against the increased operational complexity and costs involved in managing multi-region systems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.